I would argue this is the leading financial issue affecting my generation of Americans. Student debt is the fastest rising source of debt in the country, and it is the second leading source of debt, only behind home mortgages in the country.
Right now in our country, for my generation, student loan debt is one of the things that many individuals put off having a family. They can't start a business, or they're not able to even buy a house due to the level of debt that they're carrying. Especially for low-income families. Low-income families who get Pell Grants are more likely to borrow than other individuals. And representing the African American Affairs Commission, African Americans are twice as likely to borrow and borrow twice as much than their counterparts in this country.
So I want to talk a little bit about what 6915 does. There are three pieces. The first is regulation. We are going to be the first state in the country to regulate student loan servicers the same way that mortgage servicers are currently regulated. We are going to require them to register with the Department of Banking and give a strong regulatory framework to protect consumers. Two is education. We had a public hearing last week where we heard about the importance of financial literacy and making sure that students and their parents and borrowers know what they're getting into, know about deferral, know about loan forgiveness options. And the third prong is on assistance. As Roberta Willis said, we are creating an Office of Student Loan Ombudsman that will work directly with parents and students to assist them to process complaints, to keep track of them, resolve issues, and help students and borrowers find more affordable options.